guys, I'm Avantika, and in today's video, we are going to design the timer app. So let me show you how it works. So this is the app I made. So let's click on start, and the timer is starting. And when I click on pause, it's paused. And when I click on reset, it resets. So we are going to do the designing part in coder.org. So let's go to coder.org. Then click on create and select app lab. The first thing you need to do is rename it. So I'll rename it as timer underscore app and click on save. After that, let's go to design. And the first thing we need to do is we need to select a background image for the screen. So this is the image I have selected from Google. So you can go to Google and search for any background image you want. So this is the one I selected. So right click on the image you want and click on copy image address. Then you can paste it here. Or if you can click on choose and then you can click on upload file and then you can upload any image from your computer if you don't want to put the link here. Then the next thing we need is we need a label. So let's drag label here. Label is to display the seconds. So for initially we'll write the text as 0 because it's gonna start from 0, and then you can resize it like this, or you can also do it from here. So yeah, this looks good. And you will then increase this font size. You can increase font size to whatever you want. Let's see which one's good. Let's try for 50. 50 is like really small. So let's see 80 or 90. Yeah, so I think 85 will be good. Yeah. And then you can select the font family. So font family is basically like the font style. So there are many different types of styles like Arial, Times, Arial Black, and many. So you can select any one from here. So let's select this one. Let's try this one this time. Yeah, so this one's pretty good. Then we need to, you can change the text color also to whatever you like. So this is not black color. This is like kind of a gray color or something. So I think we'll go for black. Yeah. So you can select the color from here, and this is called the hex code. So whenever you change the position, like change the color, the hex code is also going to be changed according to that. Or if you're not able to like choose it from here, you can go to color picker and you can choose the color you want from here like this. So and then you can click copy the hex code and then you can paste it here. So we need to put like a semi transparent background for here. So let's uh let's go to background color and then you can see like this. I don't Then click on this. It's transparent, but when you hover on it you can like see it. So we need a like semi transparent background. So now it's the color selected as black, but you cannot see it. The background color selected as black, but you cannot see it because the transparency is 0. Transparency like A here, it's 0. And so if it's 0, it's like fully transparent, and if it's like full, it's opaque. So I want in the middle of it. So 0.5. Let's check for 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 is good, and you can select any color you want. For example, like red, blue, green, like the transparent part. So this part is good. Yeah. And the next thing we need to put give it a id. So let's give the id as label seconds. So write it in short. So I'll write it as label sec. Then we need to add one more label here, and this label is for like the separation. So when you write time, you write it as like as you can see here, it's 249. So you can see like this arrow or this like symbol between it. So you can, I'll write it here, the symbol, and we'll increase its size like this. Yeah, and let's increase the font size. Let's try 400. No, 80. And you can change the font family again here like this. And I'll do the same like semi-transparent background for this too. So, or you can just copy it and paste it here, and then just change the text here. Yeah, and I'll make it narrow like this, and I'll change its text alignment. So text and alignment is like whenever you write text, it's either like in the center or it's like left or it's touching like the left side or the right side. So I'll select center and then make it narrow. Yeah, and place it like this here. Yeah, then we need one more label here. Copy paste it and keep it here and make it narrow like this. Yeah, so this label is for the seconds and this label is for the minutes. So after it's like 59 plus seconds, which is like 60 seconds, you it won't show like 60 seconds, right? It will have to show like it's 1 minute and 0 seconds, 1 minute and 1 second like this. That's why we'll give it this is for like the minutes part. So we'll give it an ID as label underscore minutes, the short form like MIN, and initially we'll like leave it empty. Okay. After that, make sure you align it properly so it looks good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So then you need to select a button here. So this will be the start button. So let's put the text as start, and we'll put the ID also as button underscore start, and we'll increase the font size here, and you can change this background color. So I'll go to color picker and select any background. So let's see, I guess this one looks good, right? So click on this copy here, and then you can click on background color and paste it here in the hex code bar. Yeah, and then you can change the font family again. So I'll select the Arial, then I'll resize it a bit. Yeah, then you need to select, like as you can see the border here, it's like black color and like it's thick and all, and the border is like a little round on the edges, right? So go to border radius and you can choose it here. So I guess this much will be good. Yeah, and then go to, if you want to change like the border width or something, you go here and select it, and I'll change the border color to like, let's see, white. Okay. Yeah, or you can also like, I guess I can pick a lighter color for what color I selected and keep it as a border color. Let's see if that looks good, then we'll keep it that way. No, I guess white looks better, right? Yeah, so we'll copy paste it again, and this will be for button pause, right? So right here pause and keep the ID as button pause, and we'll change the background color again. So let's see which one's good. mm, this color looks good, right? copy the hex code and then paste it again here. Yeah, and the last button, which is reset, copy paste it again, and I look relocate it again. Yeah, and this write the text as but reset, and write the id as button reset, and again we'll change the background color. So this is like, this looks good. Then I'll copy the hex code again and then paste it in the hex code bar again. Okay, so we are done with the designing part. So in the next class we are going to start coding for it here. So if you like make sure you see the next video to complete the app, because we haven't finished it yet. We have only done the designing part. The coding part is still left. So this is like the good design here. So if you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for the next updates I post. Whatever I post, you'll be notified, and you can make amazing apps like this again. So see you in the next video. Bye.